Hello, my name is Maggie Diehl, and today I'm going to present to you Memrise. I am in the MTSL program at Gonzaga University, and this summer I'm taking a technology and education course. For this class, I've been assigned to teach you a great resource for teaching English using technology. So that is what I would like to do today. The first thing that you're going to do is go to memrise.com. Memrise is a wonderful technology that allows students and teachers to create flashcards to help them remember vocabulary, pronunciation, and any new content in the classroom. Memrise allows students to use their smartphones, tablets, or computers to access courses that have been prepared by the class. These can be prepared by either the teacher or fellow students. Another benefit to this program is that it's free. To log in, you select Login, or if you do not have a profile, select Sign Up. When you sign up, you can either log in with Google, Facebook, or create your own unique login. Since I have a login already, I'm going to select Login, and then I have it linked with my Google account, so it's easy as pressing on the Google icon. When you do this, it brings you to your home page. As you can see, I already have a few courses started, but if you're new to Memrise, all you need to do is select Courses, and from Courses, create a course. I selected this technology because a friend recommended it, saying that it worked really great in her Portuguese class she teaches. I also am learning Arabic, and this provided me a way to learn the letters easily. In teaching, if you're preparing to teach a class, it's also a great resource. So the first thing we'll do is select the name of your course. I'm going to select Technology Demo, and then we select the language we teach. For example, I teach English, so I can select English, and I teach English for speakers of multiple languages, so I'm going to leave this as English. If you teach EFL, you might want to select their first language, and then you can select to give definitions in their first language. Tags allow teachers or students to find your course using keywords. So today we're going to do a course on feelings and emotions, so I'm going to write feelings. This will allow other students looking to learn feelings in English to find my course. We can also add a brief description and a short description that will show when people search for your course. This is optional, and we can come back to it later. Next, we select Create Course. Once we have selected to create a new course, this page will show with an option to add words, definitions, audio, pronunciation, part of speech, and gender. When we add a word, we type it in the first column. So today we're going to add angry. Now, angry has a definition already saved, having strong feelings about something that you dislike very much or an unfair situation. If you like this definition, you can select it, or you have an option of typing your own definition. For accuracy, sometimes it's best to prepare the definitions before using an online dictionary or a dictionary that your students use in class. As you can see, so far the program is very easy and intuitive, but there are lots of options. When I was first learning, I was a little overwhelmed by all the options, but have no fear, I will show you how to use these. One way to add multiple words at one time to save time and to make it easier is by selecting Advanced, Add Bulk Words. This will open up a box where you can copy and paste the words that you would like into the box so that you do not have to write each one by clicking on the boxes individually. What works best for me is to select comma and then go to a Word document and copy and paste the words I've already written the definitions for. As you can see, we have the words separated by a comma. So we have the word, comma, definition. To copy these, highlight and press Ctrl+C. Then go back to the box and select Control V. This will copy your list of words, and the commas, as you can see here, will differentiate between the word and the definition. When you've completed all of the words you would like to add, it's as easy as selecting Add. And now you can see that the words have been added with the definitions. After the word and definition have been added, there's an option to upload an audio clip or record an audio clip. So to do this, we select Record, and the program will request to use your camera and microphone. So we select Allow, and the microphone will become available. So then we click to start recording. Angry. And once we have recorded, it will upload this to our vocabulary list. So I think this can be an advantage or a disadvantage. The advantage is that students are able to practice their pronunciation and listen back to it. A disadvantage is there's no option to type in a word and have a native English speaker pronounce it for you. So once we're done, we select Close, and our new audio has been uploaded. So then you could go through and select Next instead of Close and record a word for each of the options. Another option is to add pronunciation. This attribute will allow the students to see how the word should be pronounced using either stress or the APA alphabet. We can also add part of speech, so angry, for example, is an adjective, and gender. Now, most of the time in English, we don't have genders associated with our words, but if your vocabulary, for example, was waiter and waitress, then you could add the gender so students can differentiate between the two. Many of my students are visual learners, so at times they would like to see a picture of the word. To do this, we select Advanced, Add Column, and then we can put a picture column. The picture column allows us to add images, and this can be uploaded as a file. Once this column has been added, you will see it next to audio. As you can see, there are multiple options for the creation of our flashcards. This could be an advantage as students learn from different learning styles, but also a disadvantage as it takes time to upload each audio, picture, add the pronunciation, part of speech, and gender. Once you're satisfied with your list of words, we select Save and Continue. This will create the course, and it is ready to be viewed by students. As you can see, it has a list of words so students can quickly review the words in their vocabulary set. When the students are ready, they will select Learn. This allows us to view the words with the definitions. It also will read the word if you have uploaded an audio file and give an image if you have uploaded an image file. As we go through the words, we can learn all the vocabulary words with the definition, picture, audio, and any other additional information you decided to add. Once the students have completed as much as they would like to learn, they select the X here and leave this page. This will bring you back to your list of courses. Now, as you can see, there's many pedagogical applications for this course. We can learn new vocab, practice pronunciation, review content that has been learned in class, and I see it as a great opportunity for student autonomy. Students, like teachers, have the ability to create a course, and this allows them to study at their own pace. Students also have the ability to search for courses, as they might want to learn ahead of schedule or practice vocabulary that is important to them. Memrise also accommodates different learning styles and is simple to use. There are a few disadvantages to using this program. As you can see, it is an online application, so students need an internet and a device that can access it, either a smartphone, tablet, or computer. The pronunciation aspect also is a disadvantage because there's not an option for native pronunciation if the students are wanting to practice their vocabulary on their own. Another disadvantage is with so many options, it does take time to prepare the course with the definitions that are appropriate for your students. Overall, I think that the advantages outweigh the disadvantages, as this is a wonderful place to learn new vocabulary in any language, and you can practice at your own pace. Thank you so much for learning with me. I hope that you use Memrise in the future, as I find it a wonderful program to practice vocabulary, content, pronunciation, and it's fun. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.